All right, so I'm just going to do a few more. These are kind of my backup ones. So same idea, I'm going to rewrite. This is equal to 7 and 1/10. I need to make a common denominator. That common denominator is 10. This is going to be 2 and 6/10. Now, can't take 6 away from 1, so I need to borrow from the whole. So I trade that in. That whole that I traded in was worth 10. So I'm going to add the 10 here. I don't actually need to rewrite it because I can just put it in there. So, but actually let me rewrite it. Take that back just to make it easier to look at. So, again, traded it in, moved the 10 over here. I now have 6 and 11/10 minus 2 and 6/10. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 11 minus 6 is 5. So I know that my answer is 4 and 5/10. Here is another one. We have 4 and 1/5 minus 3 and 1/3. So got to find a common denominator. I list out my multiples: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10, 15. I know that the common denominator is 15. So I need to triple this to make 15, triple the top. Down here, I'm going to multiply by 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. Do the same to the top. So now I have 5/15. Problem is, I cannot take 5/15 away from 3/15. So I need to borrow from the whole. We now have 3, and we're going to send over those 15/15 here. So if you want to put like a little plus 15 or whatever, that might help you. That gives you 3 and 18/15. And then I'm just going to rewrite this. Again, it's not a new number. Just trying to make it easier to look at. So we have 3 minus 3 is 0, and 18 minus 5 is 13. Our denominator stays the same. So, last one. We have 2 and 3/11 minus 1 and 2/33. As with all the other ones, we always want to have a common denominator. We find those multiples: 11, 22, 33. Oh, you can tell 33 is a multiple of 11. So I need to make this into 33 by multiplying by 3. If I multiply the bottom by 3, I multiply the top by 3. Down here, I'm just going to rewrite it because we already have 33rds. Looks like this is a pretty easy one. I can definitely take 2 away from 9. I can take 1 away from 2. So I just simply do the math. 2 minus 1 is 1 whole. 9/33 minus 2/33 is 7/33. And I am done. If you need more help, please let me know. Don't be afraid to ask.